Now we're going to do some translations. Translations means that we're going to convert from English to math and vice versa. So first thing, we're going to try to think of some words that mean these symbols. This symbol is an addition symbol. Some words you might see are the words plus, add. The big one you're going to see is sum. That's a humongous one. Increase, more than. So those are some examples. There's some words that mean to add. To subtract, let's see, subtract is 1. Minus, less, and less than are two different ones. Watch out for that. 7 less 6 is 7 minus 6. 7 less than 6 is 6 minus 7. And the big one that you'll see is difference. That's the big one. And then decrease, you'll see that one. Let's look at this symbol. That's a multiplication symbol. Multiply is a big word. Product is humongous. Times. Sometimes twice. Well, twice means 2 times. Triple means 3 times. Quadruple is 4 times, and so on and so on. You really won't see pentuple much, if at all. The word of, when you deal with percent problems, means to multiply. And this symbol, divide. Quotient is humongous. Per, P-E-R. Ratio, you're going to realize that's also a fraction. Out of. Typically, quotient's the main one you'll see. Here we go. Let's use some of those words to see what we can find out, what we can translate. Now, anytime it says a number, we're going to use a variable. We're going to use x in all of these. So keep that in mind. The sum, stop right there. Sum means add a number. We're going to use x and 3. So what that means is we're going to add x and 3, which gives us x plus 3. That's how we're going to do. 4 less than x is the same as saying 4 take away x, or 4 taken away from x, or 4 subtracted from x. And no matter how you look at it, 4 is going to be taken away from the x, which means we're subtracting it off. Watch out for the less than. It does make a difference. Now if it were 4 less x, then it would be 4 minus x. So be aware of that. That does happen. 3 times the number. 3 times the number is the same as 3 times x, or just 3x. The quotient of 6 in a number. Let's look at the quotient of 6 in a number. Quotient means to divide. And so we're going to take 6 and we're going to divide it by x, because then we're going to use a number as x. It's the same as saying 6 divided by x. And here's another one, big one. Watch out for this one. Twice the difference of a number and 9. Now when you read that, twice means 2 times. Difference means subtract. Number is x. It makes no sense to write 2 times minus. What that means is we're going to find the difference of a number and 9. So difference means subtract. The number is x. The other one is 9. We're going to take twice that. If you write that, that's saying twice the number. We want twice this difference. So in order to get this, use parentheses around the x minus 9. So what I'm saying is, if you see a side-by-side operations in a problem, use parentheses to separate them. So just be aware.